Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings. Today is gonna be day question mark because I'm not respecting my planning. Doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that I think I will make it. I will post 31 videos in English and 31 video in French, and that's amazing for someone who never post videos. This is like wow, congratulations to me because that's absolutely crazy. But I'm a little bit scared, you know, to disappear for 3 or 4 years after that, because I think I might like post, I don't know, like 5 to 10 video per year, and that's ridiculous. But who knows, maybe a miracle will happen this year. So today we will have, as you could see in the thumbnail, some Chanel. I just unboxed the bag in my French channel, so we will have a reveal because I just opened the box, and I just wanted to show because I received, you know, a little card with the bag, and it says in French, "Thank you for your purchase." The seller, her name was Victoria, and I always find it super cute when, you know, sellers, they pay attention to how they pack the box. They put a little card, you know, they try to make the experience to the, you know, to the buyer like a little bit like it's like from the store. It's, of course it's not, it's from, you know, from private to private seller, I mean, and it's not going to be like, you know, from the store with all the paper and all the stuff. But yeah, I think it's really like, I'm always amazed when I receive something with a little touch of, you know, yeah, like a little attention, and I really like it. I always, you know, keep the cards even if I don't know the people. I think it's really sweet. So if you sell something one day, put a little word. It doesn't need to be a card, just a little something. It's, you know, it adds a little bit to extra something to it, and that's really cool. Bon, now I have to stop talking. So today, as I said, we will have some Chanel. I received the bag in this dust bag. Definitely not the original dust bag because it's way too big. This is a jumbo or maxi dust bag. I wish it was a maxi, but we will have a maxi and we will have a jumbo in August. That will complete my collection. So today on the menu we have some Chanel. So this is, as you can see, a beautiful denim. Oh, I forgot to do my signature unboxing, which is to scream. I think all my thumbnails will look like this. Me screaming about the bag. Well, coming back to the bag, as you can see, this is a beautiful denim bag with I don't know how you call when the color, you know, it's a grading like this, like a dégradé, we say in French. And the chain is, I don't know how you call this material in English, even in French, I don't know. It's, you know, like the material they use for the espadrilles. But yeah, and you have this little pompon. Don't know how to say that in English neither. And this is how it looks. It has a really beau look, and it explains, I mean, this is from, I think it was 2015, the Paris Dubai collection. I don't know if it was a cruise collection or spring summer. I'm gonna put the info here because before purchasing it, I tried, you know, to find the collection it came from, and it's from the Paris Dubai. That's why we have these those details like Berber, etc. Donc it's quite nice. As you can see, you have some threads coming from the bag. Okay. Me just trying, okay, this is $1. Destroying the Chanel, but yeah, it's all over the bag, and that's normal. That's the design. So I should stop taking them out because I will have only the chains at the end. So inside, okay, I have a lot of, I don't know, I'm not sure. I will, maybe I should cut them. I will not do this now, but I am a Virgo and I have some, this is the kind of thing I don't like. Bon. Inside, we have this beautiful beige lining. It's a fabric. You have a pocket and a zip pocket. It came with the, well, trying to hide the number but failed, the authenticity card. Of course, I have the sticker inside, as you can see, and seriously, the bag looks like new. Let me put back the things inside, otherwise it's too soft to hold. But yeah, the bag looks pretty clean, pretty new, which I love. I bought this in April while I was in Guadeloupe, French Caribbean, near Martinique, and yeah, like Faury in the Caribs. And I saw this on Ricardo.ch, which is my favorite Swiss website when it comes to buying like secondhand stuff. And I paid, it was not, I mean, for a Chanel bag it was okay, like $1,500 more or less. And yeah, for a Chanel denim bag, I think it's a quite good price, because we know that Chanel prices are just crazy right now. I would love to find the original price for this bag, to see. I don't know, maybe I will be able to find, but I think when it came, maybe it was around, I don't know, like 2,500, something like this. I don't know, like I have no idea. That's crazy. It's like 2015. It's just 7 years ago, but yeah, Chanel prices went crazy, so maybe it was possible. And yeah, I love it. This is definitely going to complete my Chanel denim bag collection, because if you follow me, you know that I have a vintage classic flap, medium size from the 90s with a dark denim. I have the East-West chocolate bar with a light denim from early 2000. And I have a supermodel, which is a XXXXL handbag in the denim too. And yeah, I think that's it for denim Chanel. And yeah, this is going to complete my collection. What do you guys think about this one? I think it's a really cool bag. I didn't show you. Because I tried before to move the strap, you know, like we usually do. But as you see, it's blocked because there is leather thing that, you know, holds the strap and the flap. This is well sorry, it's my telephone. I think it's really smart because as the bag has no structure, it's just denim, there is like nothing, you know. This is definitely, it helps, you know, the bag to keep its shape, so it's very, very smart. And yeah, this is what I call luxury, when you have in the little details the craftsmanship and the quality of the bag. For me, this is luxury. And voila, what do you guys think about it? I think I love it. I'm not sure about all this. It's starting to stress me because I want to pull them, wax the bag. It's not, I should not do this. But yeah, let me know, guys, what you think about this one. If you liked today's unboxing reveal. And if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support. If you like my content, it would mean a lot to me. And yes, if you are enjoying the videos of August, the 31 days of unboxings, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to come back tomorrow for a new unboxing or reveal. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you a beautiful day and bisous bisous. I see you tomorrow for the next video. Bye.